carefully. Okay, Kannam? Yes, the assessment is going to come. So kindly listen carefully. Okay. Yes. Okay. What do you mean by pattern? Pattern means something that repeats over and over again. Where you can see the patterns? Patterns are all around us. You can see the patterns on your clothes, on walls, floors, and even in the rangoli, right? Yes. You have the mandala art book, right? In that mandala art book, na, you can see rangoli patterns. If you after the class gets over, you can take that mandala art book and you can see where they have given the rangoli. Yes, it will be very colorful. You can also draw it and you can color it. It will be very nice to do. Okay. Yes. Now let's move on to the lesson. Okay. Yes. The first one, fill the color to complete the pattern. It's in the math textbook, page number 136. Math textbook, page number 136. Okay. So last class we were seeing about the patterns in colors, right? We were seeing that one color will be one color in the box, and second box some other color will be there, and it keeps on repeating one behind the other. Like in the first box here we have one yellow color flower. In the second one we have red color flower. Okay.
It's breaking, Ibrani ma'am.
Some disturbance is there. Okay, now it's okay. Ma'am, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Carry on.
Okay, yes. So in the first box they have given one yellow color flower, and the second box we have red color flower. Okay, we know that patterns are something that repeats again and again. So in the third box, what color we have to give? Either yellow or red? Yes, it is yellow color, right? Superb. So what about the fourth box, fourth flower? It is red. So now shall we say the pattern? Yes, yellow, red, yellow, red. And for the fifth box, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow. And the sixth box, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. Yes. So we have found the answer. Always remember that pattern is something that repeats over and over again. Okay, over and over again. Yes. Now take a sheet of paper, use colors to create a color pattern by your own. Okay, after the class gets over, you can take a sheet of paper and using your colors, you can create your own pattern. Okay, try this one. Okay, now let's move on to the complete the pattern. It is Sneha's birthday today. It is Sneha's birthday today. Is that so, ma'am? Jenna, ma'am? Am I not clear?
Kindly check your network, dear. Because of rain, might be the network is poor. Kindly check your network. Ma'am's voice is very clear. Continue, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, so we are seeing completing pattern. It is Sneha's birthday today. It is Sneha's birthday today. Her brother was decorating Sneha's room. So Sneha's brother is decorating the Sneha's room. Okay, using stars and glitter rings. Using stars and glitter rings. Look at the pattern he created. See, pink star, blue glittering, yellow star, yellow orange glittering, again pink star, blue glittering, yellow star, orange glittering, pink star. You all know that patterns can grow. How it will grow? We can increase the pattern. We can extend it. When we extend it, the patterns can be increased. The patterns can grow. Yes. So now we can extend the pattern. Okay, by increasing the glitter rings and stars. Yes. Okay. Can you tell what will come next? Yes. Here after the pink star, what will be the next? Either it is blue glittering or yellow star or orange glittering. What will come? See the pattern there. Pink, blue, yellow, orange. Pink, blue, yellow, orange. Pink. Yes, exactly. It is blue. Very good, my dears. Very good. Superb. I could get many answers in the chat box. Superb. Okay. Shall we say the pattern again now? Yes. Pink, blue, yellow, orange. Pink, blue, yellow, orange. Pink, blue, and next comes yellow star. Wonderful. Superb. Okay. Now shall we say the pattern again? Yes. Pink, blue, yellow, orange. Pink, blue, yellow, orange. Pink, blue, yellow, and orange ring now. Superb. Very good, my dears. You're rocking. Superb. Very good. Wonderful. So now we have increased our pattern. We have increased our patterns. Yes. Now see the A star for all, my dear kids. Superb. Thank you so much, Sena, my ma'am. Yes. Okay. Now see the first box there. A question. They have given the pattern. Okay. Blue glittering, yellow star, and orange glittering. What will be the next? Blue, yellow, orange. Pink, blue, yellow, orange. Next comes the pink, right? Yes, superb. Let's draw a pink star there. Okay, now let's move on to the B. Orange glittering, yellow star, and orange glittering, yellow star, and blue glittering. Is that correct? No, right?
Your voice is not clear, ma'am.
Sena, my ma'am, am I not clear?
Yes, ma'am, your voice is very clear, ma'am. Some disturbance at the backside. Kindly, I want all my children to kindly mute their mic. Yes, Sridhar sir.
Due to rain, some disturbance is there. Dear parents, kindly see to that your network connection is good. Sridhar sir, kindly mute everyone, sir. Sridhar sir, I want all my dears to mute themselves, please. All my dears, kindly check your audio symbol highlights orange color. That icon is there, right? But it highlights orange color. Ma'am, shall we continue?
Yes, ma'am. Now it is clear, ma'am. No disturbance. Continue, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Next slide, ma'am. Okay. Here comes again the same completing of patterns. Math textbook, page number 137. Page number 137. Okay. Minnie saw the following patterns on a wall. So Minnie, a girl, she's seeing a pattern on a wall. Okay, now we are going to help her out. What comes next? Okay, she wanted to extend this pattern. Can you tell what will come next? Yes. So you people are going to find out which is the correct pattern and you are going to help her out. Yes. Okay, shall we say the color pattern now? Yes. See there, green color, one triangle facing upward and one triangle facing downward. All the patterns are same, that is triangle, one is facing up and one is facing down. Okay, only the colors are different. So here at the first one we have green color, the second one blue, and the third one purple. Green, blue, purple. Green, blue, purple. What will be the next? What will be the next pattern? A, B or C? Which one is correct? Yes, of course it is B1. Green, blue, purple. Green, blue, purple. Green, blue, purple. Yes, it is the B1. Yes, it is the correct answer. Yes, we have found the answer. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. Same page number 137. Think how you can complete the pattern. So in the first box they have given a cylinder, then an arrow mark. Okay, yes, cylinder, arrow, cylinder, arrow, cylinder, arrow, cylinder. Yes, exactly, an arrow. Superb, very good, wonderful, superb. Okay, next comes diamonds. Okay, in first box we have one diamond. The second box we have two diamonds. In the third box, three diamonds. In fourth box we have four diamonds. See there, the diamonds are increasing. The diamonds are increasing one by one. Okay, yes. So one, two, one, two, three, one, two, three, four. So in the fifth box, how many diamonds we have to draw?
5.
Yes, five. Wonderful, superb. So we have to draw five diamonds. One, two, three, four, five. Superb. So we have drawn five diamonds. Star for all my dear kids who have answered in the chat box. Thank you. Shall we move on to the next slide? Yes, it is patterns in numbers. Math textbook, page number 130, 38. Math textbook, page number 138. Just like colors and shapes, we can also use numbers to create patterns. Just like colors and shapes, we can also use numbers to create patterns. Okay, now this session will be carried over by Tena, my ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes, Yuvarani ma'am, my voice is clear.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible, ma'am, and clear too. Thank you.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, children. Now we saw colors and shapes. Yes, in patterns we saw different colors and shapes followed. Right? Okay. Now we are going to use number. We are going to use numbers. Okay. Look at the number line here. They have given number line. Yes, there are two different colors. Yes, the numbers are written in black and red. Yes, now let's see the number which is in red color. Okay, look at the first.
Voice is not clear.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Tenamai ma'am. Tenamai ma'am. Dear parent, can anyone say whether the Tenamai ma'am's voice is audible or not?
No, ma'am.
No, it is not audible, right? Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Tenamai ma'am, are you there? Okay, I am audible, right, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. So let me continue. Okay, my dear. So this is the number line. Okay, patterns in numbers. Look at the numbers given below. Okay, we have two different colored numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, so say it aloud, all the numbers written in red. Now we are going to find the numbers that are given in red. What are the numbers that are in red? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. So these are the numbers in red, right? Can you see any pattern in these numbers? Yes, these numbers are colored by skipping a number. Yes, na? Yes, these numbers are colored by skipping a number. Starting from 1, yes, this is called skip counting in 2. This is called skip counting. Okay, see there? They have left one number in between and they have jumped. Yes, from 1 they have jumped to 3. From 3 they have jumped to 5. From 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, and 17 to 19. They have missed a number in between and they have jumped ahead towards, right? So this is also a pattern. See there in between black color numbers are there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, this is also a pattern. Okay, patterns in numbers. Okay, now skip counting by 2 in ascending order. Skip counting by 2 in ascending order. Yes, ascending order means what? From small to big, right? See here, you all know the two tables, right? Yesterday we learned. Yes, na? Yes, in the two tables, man, see the skip counting here. 2, 4. See the numbers are growing here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Yes, it is very easy, right? Skip counting by 2. It also makes us the 2 table. Yes. Now see here, skip counting by 2 in descending order. So we are going to arrange the numbers in backward. Okay, it's big to small. Big to small. We all know that descending order means from big to small. See the numbers here: 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Yes, from the big to small, we have skipped and we have written the descending order. Yes, it is very nice to do, right? Okay. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes, spot the error. Spot the error in the following patterns. See the A sum, there might be some mistake. We are going to find it out where it is. Yes. See the A question there. What are the numbers given there? It is 15, 13, 11, 9, 8, 5, 3. Okay, some numbers are missing here. In between 15 and 13, 14 is missing. In between 13 and 11, 12 is missing. And 10 missing. Between 9 and 7, they have given number 8. Is that correct? Is that correct? No, right? 8 will not come. Right? We have to skip the number 8 and we have to write 7 there, right? So it is the mistake over there. So circle that and write number 7 on the top. Okay, now let's follow the pattern. After 7, let's leave out 6 and 5. After 5, before 5, we are going to leave out 4 and they have given an 3. Now it is correct, right? Now the pattern is correct. Superb. Now shall we move on to the B sum there? B question? Yes. See the color patterns. Colors and shapes are mixed. Okay, shapes. It is square, triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle. So the shapes are correct. Now let's move on to the colors. Okay, yellow, red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow, green. Sorry, red, green, yellow. Where is the mistake here? Yes, it is green triangle, right? So what is the color of triangle they have given? It should be in red color. Red color triangle, but they have wrongly given as green color triangle. So let's circle it and draw a red color triangle. Red triangle. Okay, you can use your color pencils and you can draw it and color it, right? Okay, now let's move on to the C question. It is also the shapes. Square, triangle, square, triangle, square, inverted triangle. What is wrong here? Yes, inverted triangle, right? So let's circle it and draw a triangle. Superb. Now we have spotted the error and we have corrected all the questions. Superb. Now let's move on to the next slide. Use the data. Okay, they have given some data. We have to use that one and we are going to color it. Okay, color the images given below by seeing the pattern given above. Can you see a Rangoli pattern here? Yes. So it's a homework for you. You have to use any color and you have to create your own pattern. Okay, the colors should be repeated again and again. Remember that the colors should be repeated again and again. Only then it will be called as pattern. Okay, yes children? Yes. Now shall we move on to the next one? Yes, challenge yourself. Cross out the wrong box in the given patterns. Cross out the wrong box in the given patterns. Now we are going to say the numbers and we are going to check whether it is correct or not. Okay. Yes. 10, 15, 20, 24, 30, 35, 40, 45. What is wrong here? 10, 15, 20, 24, 30, 35, 40, 45. Yes, it should be 25, right? They have given as 24. So it is wrong. So what you have to do? You have to strike it out and write 25 on the top. Cross out. Cross out and write 25 on the top. Yes. So now shall we say the pattern? Yes, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Yes, now the pattern is correct. Superb. Now let's move on to the next question. It's a square with triangles inside. Okay, let's see the color pattern here. Okay, find out which box is wrong here, right? Okay, in the first box, the square, we have green, red, yellow, blue. Okay, green, red, yellow, blue. Colors are there inside that square box. Okay, let's check on with the second one. Green, red, yellow, blue. Yes. Green, third box. Green, red, yellow, blue. Yes. Fourth box. Green, red, yellow, blue. Yes, it is also correct. Red, yellow, blue, green. Is that correct? No, right? No. It's wrong. So cross out the box. Yes. Now you are going to take out the color pencil and you are going to do the square box as such they have given before. Okay. So let's move on. Check out the next box. Green, red, yellow, blue. Yes, this is also correct. So use your color pencil and strike it out that fifth box, and you can draw a box nearby using your color pencils. Okay, green, red, yellow, blue. Using your color pencils, you can draw a box and you can color it. Yes, superb. So now let's move on to the next slide. Let's practice. Tena ma'am. Tena ma'am.
My voice is
Not
my
audible.
voice, my voice is not
Okay.
visible.
Okay, Kanna. Okay, Kanna. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I will continue, ma'am. Okay. So, yes, Kanna, I will
Voice
continue. Kanna, don't worry. Okay, my dear. Okay, my dear. Okay, I will continue. Cut out the shapes below on the dotted line. Paste the one that correctly finishes the patterns on the blank space in each row. So, we are going to cut and paste the shapes, but here we are doing it visually, so we can just circle it and we can just color the box alone. Okay, yes, see the frogs over there, circle, square. Okay, now can you say where is the circle pattern there, shape there? Yes, 1 2 3, it is below the rectangle, it is below the rectangle. Orange color circle. So shall we color the orange? Yes. Circle inside the circle, color with the orange color. Yes, superb. Now let's move on to the next one. It's a square. Where is the square? It's on the top. First one, right? What color is it? Blue color. So let's color with the blue. Very good, Sai Lakshmi. Orange, blue, green, and red. Very good. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. What shape is that? It's a rectangle. What color it is? Green color. So let's color with the green. Very good, Nandana. Superb. Now let's move on to the oval. Okay. What is the color of oval? It's red. Very good, Nandana. It's red. Superb. So now let's color with red. Superb. We have finished. Very good, Abanishwar. Very good, Ojashvi. Superb. Stop for all my dears. Shall we? Kanna, this is not in your textbook. Okay, it's just an activity sheet for practice. Okay, my dears. So listen carefully. That's all. Okay. This one is in your workbook, page number 47. This slide. What we are showing now is in your workbook, page number 47. Okay. Yes. Patterns worksheet number 1. Extend the following patterns. Yes, already you know we can extend the patterns, right? How we can extend the pattern? We can increase one by one and we can extend the pattern. Yes, see here the first one, inverted T. Okay, the T is facing downward. Okay, see the second box. The T is facing towards your left. Okay, so down, left, down, left. What will be the next? Yes, it's down. Then next, T faces towards the left hand side. Very good. So let's again repeat the pattern from the first. Down, left, down, left, down, left. What will be the next? Yes, down. Next, left. Down, left, down, left, down, left, down, left, and down, left. Yes. Likewise, we have to extend the patterns. Okay. Yes. Now, Sridhar sir, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, na? Okay, Kanna. Thank you so much. Okay. Dear parents, kindly check your net connection, please. Okay. So let's move on to the next one. Okay. See the shape given there. It's like a P, right? It's like a P. Okay. It is facing towards your right. See the next box. The P is, it is like a mirror image. It's like a mirror image facing towards the left. Okay. So let's keep on saying right and left. Okay. So P facing your right and P facing the left. Okay. Right, left, and now what will be the next? P facing towards the right. Yes. Then next comes P facing towards right, left, and now left. Superb. Very good, Avanishwar. Very good, Nandana. Yes. Now right, left, and this pattern continues like that. Again, right, then left, right, left. Yes, this is how you are going to complete the pattern. Okay, my dears? Yes. So, shall we move on to the next shapes? Yes, it's a triangle, rectangle, circle. Triangle, rectangle, circle. What will be the next? Yes, it's a triangle again. Very good. Super, Avanishwar. Triangle, rectangle, circle. Triangle, rectangle, super Nehan. Triangle, rectangle, circle. Triangle, rectangle, circle. Triangle, rectangle, and circle. And comes triangle. Wow, hooray! We have finished the patterns. Now you are all clear what is patterns, right? Superb. Shall we have a small glance on what are we have seen? Patterns are all around us. Pattern is something that repeats over and over again. Patterns can be seen on the floors, walls, tiles, rangoli, and on your cloths also. And pattern can be increased. Patterns, we also saw the patterns on the number line, shapes, colors, right? Okay. So now let's move on to the next slide. Yes, again same thing, extend the patterns. Workbook page number 47. Okay. Yes, now let's do with the last one. Okay, sun and cloud. Sun and cloud. Okay, sun, cloud, sun, cloud. What will be the next? Sun. Next, cloud. Very good, Avanishwar, Ojeshwi, superb. So the pattern can be increased like this. Yes, sun. Then clouds. Very good, Ojeshwi. Then sun. Again sun. Then cloud. Sun, cloud, sun, cloud. Very good, Avanishwar, Ojeshwi, superb. Very good. Okay. So likewise, we can increase our patterns. Okay, what you can do is you can create a bracelet. Okay, take out your old ornaments and with the beads, you can take that and you can create your own bracelet. Okay, last session we saw a bracelet, right, with colored beads of orange and red. Likewise, you can take a string. Okay, create a pattern by yourself. If you are going to use two colors, say it as pink and blue, you can arrange it in a pattern wise: pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue. Okay, make a bracelet and present it to your mom or sister or to your friends. Okay, will you do it? Yes, make a bracelet and you can take the pictures of it and you can make it as a collage and you can post it in your group. Okay, let's see how many of them are going to do a bracelet and present to their mother or their friends. Okay, yes. So thank you so much. Now it's time to end our session. Yes. Kindly unmute your video and say bye-bye to your friends. Don't forget to do the bracelets and also always practice two tables. Okay, this you have to practice always. Okay, dears. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Waiting for your work.